The way she walks, the way she talks, how long can I pretend? Oh, I can't help it, I'm in love with a girl, oh my best friend. Her skin so fair, I could go on never end. Oh, I can't help it, I'm in love with a girl of my best friend. I want to tell her how I love her so, and hold her in my arms, but then what if she got real mad and told him so? I could never face either one again. The way they kiss, their happiness will make you heart never mend. Oh, will I always be in love with a girl of my best friend? Never end, will it ever end? Please let it end. Well, how do they pluck us? I was Saw Fingers again with you, with hoping another classic oldie. This one, of course, from Elvis Presley from about 1960, and one of his big hits, "Girl of My Best Friend," okay, classic Elvis song. Please excuse the vocals. Apologies to all you Elvis fans out there, just for reference only, okay? So I'm doing it in standard tuning, no capos, and I'm doing it in the same key, that's the key of E, that Elvis recorded it back in 1960, okay? So let's get to it. So it starts off with two chords, and that's an E and a C sharp minor. Now I'm playing a 4th fret bar chords. I'm trying to limit in this arrangement the number of bar chords to 2, I think it is, okay? So there's only 2 bar chords in it. So the first one is a C sharp minor, 4th fret bar minor shape. If you can't manage the bar chord, play the simple version like this, okay, which is 4th fret top E string, 1st finger, 5th fret 2nd string, 2nd finger, 6th fret of the 4th string with the 3rd finger, and 6th fret of the 3rd string with the pinky. 4 downwards. So you can do that rather than the bar, so it's I'm doing that, but you could just do that, okay? So it's okay, so that's option number 1, okay? So we do 3 of those little Jordan-air ooh-ah bits, so into the verse, okay, into the verse at that point. So 3 of those ooh-ah bits, okay? Now the rhythm on this song is quite distinctive. It's like a down, down, up, down, up. So it's like, oh, up, down, sorry, so down, down, up, down, sorry, down, down, up, down, okay, down, down, up, down. So when you get to the C sharp minor, you get that, alright, so it's slowly, okay, and that's the way it goes all the way through the song like that, okay. So 3 of the way she talks. How long can I B7 pretend? And then there's, at the end of that bar of B7, a little rundown from the B7 to the A chord. So you play the second on the fifth, the first on the fifth, the A string, and then you play the open A and play the A chord. Okay, so it goes. How long can I pretend? I can't help it. So it's A to B7. I can't help it. E to C sharp minor again. Love with the A chord. Girl, stay there on my B7 best friend. Right, so let's do the whole thing slowly from the beginning. 3 lots of intro of the Jordanaires, and then we'll go into the verse, okay? The way she walks, the way she talks, how long can I pretend? I can't help it, I'm in love with a girl of my best friend. The second verse is exactly the same. Skin so fair, I could go on never end. Oh, I can't help it, I'm in love with a girl, this time it's quicker, of my best friend. So the only thing different to verse 2 is the last line. The A to B is quicker. So it goes, I'm in love with the A girl, B7 of my E best friend. E7, so E to E7 after friend. All I do is I take off the third finger off the E chord, open up the fourth string, so you've got second on the fifth, first on the third, all 6 strings, E7. Okay, it goes, the girl of my best friend, E7, and then just a single strum on E7, and then the little build up to the A. That's open bottom E string, second on the bottom E string, fourth on the bottom E string, into an A chord, into the sort of bridge section, if you like. Okay, so it's the girl of my best friend, E7, build up, A, I want to, B7, tell her how I E, love, to C sharp minor, B7, and hold her in my arms, E, but then E7, build up, A, what it, B7, and E to C sharp minor. So now this is a second bar chord. I could never F sharp 7th. Okay, so it's a bar chord, 2nd fret major shape, but without pinky. Take pinky away, got F sharp 7th. Now the alternative to that is to play this. Simple way of playing it is that like an F shape on the 2nd fret, so an F chord up 1 fret. Lift up the bar, top E string open. Okay, that's an F7, F sharp 7 as well. Okay? So F sharp 7, and you end up on the B7. So it goes, what if she got real mad and told him so? I could never face the one again. Okay, obviously the best chord is the bar chord. It sounds more like the original, but if you can't manage the bar chord, just play an F sharp major or an F major 7 by leaving the top string open. Right, so you can just play the F sharp major if you like, F shape on the 2nd fret, 4 downwards. Okay, so it's, if you want to do that, so it'd be what if she got real mad and told him so? I could never face either one again. Which options, yeah? Next verse, another verse again, same as the other 2 verses. The way they kiss, their happiness will make it harder. Oh, will I always be in love with a girl? A, B7, oh my, E to C sharp minor, E to C sharp minor, never end, E sharp to C sharp minor, never end, and again, please let it end. Finish on E. So there you have it, boys and girls. That's my version of, for a single acoustic guitar, of Elvis's Girl of My Best Friend. Hope that made sense to you. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.